let's jump right into this video. So the unit that I'm wearing today is from Wowafrican. This is their 13x6 tight curly wig. I have it in 20 inches. It does come pre-plucked with a clean bleach knots. And I do want to say happy Black Friday and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a great one. Jumping back into this unit. So doing what I always do, you guys, with how I lay my lace, which this lace is Undetectable HD Lace. Just using my TG bedhead spray, my blow dryer. This is nothing new. I do it in every single one of my videos, and just getting this nice and melted. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I was really feeling this unit. I loved it, loved the curl pattern, but we'll get into that in just a second. The only downfall about this bad boy was that it was the tiniest bit too small for me, but I made it work and did what I could. So going into laying some little hair, some adolescent hair, some baby hairs, whatever you guys would like to call them, or whatever we're still calling them in 2021. I'm doing some big swoops today. I don't know, I think I was just feeling big swoopy-ish, and so I went for it. I do want to give you guys a tip when dealing with, textured hair, kinky, tightly curled or coily hair, and especially when you are laying your edges. This hair is not straight. It's not silky straight hair, so it takes a little bit more effort and more product to get your little baby hairs to lay, and you kind of have to work a little bit on the quicker side because they will start to curl back up just like my natural hair or your natural hair as well. But all in all, you guys, this was pretty easy. I typically just do two big swoops or two swoops on the side with most of my wigs, and I call it a day. So once I've got everything how I want it, just gonna use my black strips in blow dryer on high heat to set it. And this is how we're looking after about maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I did my makeup, let it sit a while, and there you go. So moving on to this hair, you guys, this hair is actually really, really pretty. I was very intrigued, very impressed. I was like, okay, I think we're moving in the right direction. If you guys haven't noticed, I've been trying my best this year to do a lot more of natural haired wigs, tightly coiled and curly units that mimic our natural hair, type 4 hair as close as I possibly can. And this unit from Wowafrican impressed me and checked all my boxes, y'all. You see me, I'm starting at the very ends with this hair. Put a little bit of water on it, use my paddle brush to loosen up the curls, detangle it a bit. Didn't really get that much shedding or tangling, after you detangled it a bit. And then I'm gonna add in some cream to let the curls and coils pop a little bit more. This is the Uncle Jimmy's Curl Kicker. I actually use this on my son's hair, on 𝐖𝐤's hair, and I don't really like that crunchy feeling when it comes to tightly curled coily hair, and this one gave some really good definition with still feeling soft. So of course, everything that I'm using from spray bottles, even the curl kicker that I use, I'll put it down below. It's going to be linked in my Amazon store, you guys. Make sure you take a look at that. I typically have everything that you could ever think of when it comes to my wigs. If you have any questions, just check my Amazon store. 9 times out of 10 the products will be there. So I'm just going to do this through every single section. I did 4 sections throughout my entire head. Detangle a bit, spray some water, add some cream to it, and then move on to the next section. But you guys, I really just want to stress with this hair, it's gonna need some product in it. It's gonna need some detangling. It's curly, coily hair. You can't just get up and go, in my opinion. But even though you're gonna need to add some moisture to it, add some product, it still took no time to do my hair today. I thought it was gonna take a lot longer, and this was an absolute breeze. The hair is super, super soft, you guys. It's springy, it's bouncy. I know you guys can see those curls. It's just, it was everything and more, y'all. It was definitely on the money as far as the texture goes. I think they did a really good job with trying to get it as tightly coiled as possible. So this is how we're looking with one side, and I'm gonna finish up the other side here, and then I'll show you the final styling touches I did for this unit. So from here, y'all, just gonna add a little bit of powder to my part and then to my hairline, and then just gonna use my little comb to pick up my little baby hairs. I don't really like them sticking to my forehead, but you know, you can leave them sticking or not. I just try and pick mine up because I think it gives it a little bit more of a more wispy, natural kind of look. And that is pretty much it for this unit, you guys. I couldn't drag this out even if I wanted to. This was super easy to put on, definitely beginner friendly. The fact that it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, you really don't have to do much work to it. Make sure you all check the description box. Everything about this unit, even a coupon code, should be down there for you guys. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.